Happy 4th of July! Celebrating America's birthday means hot dogs, hamburgers, beers, barbecues, and fireworks. Though loved by Americans, fireworks are very dangerous and lead to countless 911 calls every year. Last year, a house in Florida even burned to the ground because discarded fireworks in a trash can reignited later in the day. In light of these dangers, here are 6 precautions you can take to limit the risk so that your holiday doesn't go up in flames. 1. Don't let kids play with fireworks. Even sparklers may seem cute and harmless, but they burn at very high temperatures and should not be handled by young children. 2. Make sure if you're going to set off fireworks, you do it away from houses or dry grass. 3. Keep a bucket of water or a hose nearby in case any emergencies do happen. 4. If a firework won't ignite, don't play with it. Soak it in water and throw it away. 5. When you throw away discarded fireworks, make sure you put them in an outside trash can that is away from the house. And 6. If an emergency does happen, make sure you get you and your family to a safe place and call the fire department. If something does go wrong for you this holiday, contact me at the number below to help you with your case.